Anne Arundel County remains one of the top performing areas for the third consecutive month with decade high median prices. Annapolis median sold price rose 19.2% from August 2019. It's Friday, September 11th, 2020, and a day of remembrance for 9/11. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Annapolis. Housing inventory continues to be short. Interest rates are still at historic lows, and unemployment was at 7.5%, under the national average. Homes are on the market a median 11 days before selling in Annapolis. Zip code 21409 saw the biggest gain from last August of 20% to a median sold price of $450,000. 1401 followed closely with a 19.9% gain, reaching a median price of $539,000. 21403 saw a 10.9% gain from last August to $533,500. 21405 gained a 7.5% for a median sold price of $725,000. New listing inventory was up to 22.8% from last year, and all Annapolis to 199 homes for sale, ending this August 2020. Zip code 21409 saw the biggest increase at 49 homes for sale, a 61.5% increase year over year, followed by 21401 at 81 homes for sale and 20.9% since last August. So what do you think about the market? Let me know your thoughts or questions. And thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's your Annapolis Real Estate for Friday, September 11th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and I'll be here next Friday.